Introducing the CES Innovation Award winner, iWear video headphones from Vuzix. Vuzix and its founder have been a leader in developing video eyewear products for the past 23 years and have won 20 CES Innovation Awards. Never before has a personal wearable entertainment device offered such incredible video and audio performance. It displays incredible 2D and 3D video and advanced interactive virtual reality. It supports HDMI inputs, works with 3D Blu-ray players, tablets, console systems, PCs, Android, and iPhone. Almost any HDMI source is plug and play. Wearing iWear headphones is like viewing a 125-inch widescreen home theater from 10 feet away. It has a 55-degree diagonal field of view in a 16:9 widescreen aspect ratio. The floating display design with minimal face contact makes it super comfortable, so you can wear it for hours and hours. If you're a gamer, the iWear is perfect for playing intense gaming on a massive video screen that vastly outsizes any home-based flat-screen TV. Well-balanced and very comfortable for long sessions, you simply plug and play, providing an awesome on-screen eyewear experience with head tracking, 3D video and game compatibility, and a large field of view. For MMO and MMOG gamers, the eyewear is perfect for playing remotely with others and being able to talk with the noise-canceling built-in microphones with mic mute.
Okay, you see the chopper. Up, look up, look up. Oh, yeah.
Especially good for gamers, the iWear comes with built-in head tracking sensors. Just turn your head and you're there.
Yeah, just rock it. Reload.
Perfect for virtual reality gaming applications and interactive 360 videos. For drone enthusiasts and professionals, an iWear is the perfect add-on to your handheld controller, providing total immersion for flying your drone more proficiently. Now you can see exactly where your drone is headed. Never before has a total immersion wearable personal entertainment device offered a comparable level of video and audio performance in a mobile solution. Now you can view the future with Vuzix award-winning iWear wearable display for mobile entertainment, gaming, and virtual reality.